Did you know that now you can basically 3D print almost anything, using any material you want for any reason? Whether that's a metallic car part, your company's logo made of chocolate, or a real life-size copy of yourself. Using the desktop Metal Studio 3D printer, you can have anything 3D printed on stainless steel for special metallic pieces that require high strength and good corrosion resistance. Massivit opened the market to large-size 3D printing. Print anything you want, no matter the size, whether that's a clever promotion or simply a great idea. Using the world's first 3D printer with 10 million colors and UV curable inkjet printing from Mimaki, you have access to limitless possibilities. Beautiful color expressions, elaborate modeling. All that's missing is a great idea. Delight your customers with creative and personalized real chocolate prints, crafted from your very own handmade chocolate. Whether you need large quantities in a short time or not, it has never been easier to put a smile on your customer's face. Kirmitsis 3D, the affordable entry to the world of specialized 3D printing.